Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel again, guys. This is my first video after some years. On this video, I just want to learn about the CSS loading and use the animation and the blur text. Actually, this is just simple CSS, so we can start and check it out. Okay, first, I will create the folder in here. Okay, then we'll create the HTML first. You can this file with index HTML, and yeah, like as we know, the HTML have the structure should be below. For example, in here we have doc.html, and then we have page. You can copy this one, and also this one. Oh, I think I'm typo in here. So just change. Okay. Then so yeah, then the HTML what I create should be shown like this, and this page not showing anything, nothing to show. Then yeah, we will add some wrapper and container, also the content like this. So I will try to tell you about this. So the wrapper is to create all of the page. I mean the in here the wrapper is will be in here. So if we look in here, this is will be wrapper. Then inside on the wrapper we have container. Container is in here to take the content on the container. Then yeah, okay, I will continue in this. Then we can see what happened. Then yes, just like this. This is just a simple HTML without the CSS. So let's we add the CSS. Okay. We can give the name like style.css. Then for first, we need to create the CSS attribute for the class content. So this is will be like this. The wrapper will be have with 100%, also the height also 100%, and the position is fixed. That means for the wrapper we can move any layout. So that's mean when even we scroll the page, there will be fixed in the page. And for the top and the left is to make to decide the position, to define, declare position of the layout. I mean, in here, top is 0. That's mean they will be on the top. If I add, for example, in here, 100 ph, so there will be half gap in here. And so this means I want to the layout is top of the page, so I should fill the top with the 0. Okay, this you can save. Then 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 to call the CSS to the HTML, we should create something like link in here. Then we can see what happened. Then nothing. Yeah, because this is just for the wrapper. For the next, we can add the CSS for the container. And okay, I will try to also describe for this class. The left and the top is same like on the wrapper. This is the attribute to define the position. The I fill the top and the left with calculate. That mean the position of left and the top will be counting about 500%. For example, on the top, this is will be 515%, and that's mean uh, to 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 make the container center on the page, and we can see what happened then. There will be on the center. So we use this because we use the position is fixed. If we create the position fixed, so uh, for define the position, we should calculate the position to decide of the position is center. Okay, okay, then we will add the font family in here to be Ubuntu. This is just for the font type. Let's make good, making good, and then yeah, for the first, before we create the CSS for the loader to the text, we need to create the animation first. I give the name of animation is blur fade in out. Yeah, for example, like this. This is the animation, the keyframe. Then, okay, we will uh, we will create this the CSS attribute to the text because the text is on the span, and the class loader, the class CSS is loader, so that means it will be effect to the text. If I give the font size is 5 frame, then the color is transparent, and the text shadow is like this. Okay, we can see the Okay, we will see without the animation first. The text will be gone because there have opacity is 0, then the text shadow is like this. And then when we uh, use the animation in here, that's mean that will be like this. This will be like from 0 opacity to 100% opacity. Then yeah, okay, the next is I will uh, tell you about the keyframe. So the keyframe is about the animation keyframe. In the 0%, the process from 0% until 100%. In the 0%, we have 0 for opacity, and and when the process is 2, the animation is 20 until 75%. The opacity will be have 1 to opacity, and the transform is scale. Okay, then you also can create, but no, this, so that will be like this. But this is just very simple, so we will create the something like the delay animation of the time. This is will looks like this. This is more elegant, I think. Yeah, yeah, I think that's it from my side. Thank you.